Sibulele mbukeli sikwamukele eindabeni zehora lokuqala emini igama lami nguNoxolo uMamtshali wakwaMwali ihlabanga lemhlophe qwa sibonge kakhulu ngembukeli ukuthi uhlanganyele kanye nathi namhlanje emini ake sibhekeke ehamba phambili kuleli hora.
Sona sinalutho sinanaza emadwaleni lankhona sinanaza empophomeni lankhona.
Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa uhola umkhosi wokwamukelwa kwamathambo eyishoshovu zakuleli zomzabalazo ezabulawelwa eZambia kanye naseZimbabwe ngeyikhathi kahulumeni ubandlululo.
We are actually going to be fielding Cilla Brink again as the mayoral candidate when these nominations open up again.
I-Democratic Alliance simemezele ukuthi izophinde iphakamise igama likaCilla Brink kwesobumeya eTshwane uma sekufakwa kamagama abazogaqela lesi sikhundla. Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa uhola umkhosi wokwamukelwa kwamathambo eyishoshovu zakuleli zomzabalazo ezabulawelwa eZambia kanye naseZimbabwe ngeyikhathi kahulumeni wobandlululo. Phakathi kwamathambo eyishoshovu eyingxenyeni kwezingamashumi-42 kubalwa kuwo owayengumholi we-PAC uLitholo Edwin Makoti kanye nalowo owayengubhala jikelele we-ANC uDuma Nokwe abashonele eZambia.
Sona sinalutho sinanaza emadwaleni lankhona sinanaza empophomeni lankhona.
Lo mbuthano wokubuyiswa kwamathambo ezishoshovu zomzabalazo oqhubeka esikhungweni sokulondolozwa kwamagugu eFreedom Park uqalwe ngokohlelo lwesintu lapho kube kuhlangene abemndeni, abelaphi bendabuko kanjalo nabezenkolo yesintu kuqhutshwa usiko oluhambisana nokubuyiswa kwabasuke beshonele kude nasemakhaya. Abemndeni nezishoshovu bakholelwa ukuthi ukubuyiswa kwamathambo ezihlobo zabo kuzoba isahluko esisha empilweni ngoba sebezokwazi ukufihla amathambo abo ngesizotha.
It's a great honor. I'm very happy that this day has arrived, finally came.
As the Teklo family, we are really relieved and we found closure today.
Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ube esehola ngokusemthethweni lonke uhlelo lokwamukelwa kwamathambo ezigagayi zomzabalazo ezingama-42. Iningi lalezi zishoshovu kwangamalungu e-ANC kanye ne-PAC ezagcina zishonele emazweni angaphandle zisekudingisweni. Umholi we-PAC usencome kakhulu uhulumeni ngokubuyiswa kwamathambo ezishoshovu lapho zidabuka khona.
As PAC, we are very happy, very grateful to the government that at last the families of our martyrs are going to find closure.
Umengameli Ramaphosa uchaze ukubuyiswa kwamathambo njengengqophamlando enkulu.
Well, this is a day of memory, of sad memory, but also celebration in terms of bringing the remains of those who sacrificed so much back home.
Imndeni izokwedluliselwa ngamathambo ezihlobo zayo lapho izobe isiqala khona amalungiselelo okufihlwa kwawo ngesizotha.
Mbukeli njengamanje ke ake sixoshele bukhoma inkulumo kaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa eseFreedom Park ePitoli.
Those memorial sites have in many ways become sacred places of the nation. Now, of course, we may well argue our leaders and heroes are buried all over the country, but it does not mean that the monuments that memorialize them cannot be brought together at a hero's acre. And this is where we should be going. So Minister Mackenzie has another task. And if you say he's happy about it, you'll be lying, because he's very, very excited to take on this task. So I'd like us to move forward to create a great memorial of the heroes who lie buried in South African soil, who, if not buried there, will be memorialized there through various monuments. This is a great day of commemoration. It's a great day to memorialize and to remember those who lie before us. And it is with this that I once again ask that let us stand up and pay our honor to the heroines and heroes who lie here, and be silent just for a minute in honor of them.
Umengameli ke mbukeli laphayana ethatha nje umzuzu wokuhlonipha ke labo abangasekho amathambo eyishoshovu ezashonela khona ke ekudingisweni. Umengameli mbukeli lapha eFreedom Park ePitoli. Kanti mangabe siqhubekela phambili sisekulo loludaba amalungu ahlukene avele emaqenjini ezombusazwe ke nawo athi ukubuyiswa kwalamathambo abalwela inkululeko kuzoletha ukuthula emndenini yabo.
And the homecoming ceremony are not just events, they are profound expression of our respect for those who made the ultimate sacrifice for freedom. They remind us of the high price of our democracy and the courage of those who paid that price. As we bring these stalwarts home, we want to say to the families, Releboha homenahani. Sibulela kakhulu ukuthi nisiboleke abantwana benu baphume bashiya emakhaya babuye beqoqwa ngamaboys kodwa inkulu into bayenzile so siyabulela. So we want to say may the souls of our fallen heroes and heroines rest in eternal peace. Their memory will never fade. Their legacy will continue to inspire generations to come.
It will be remiss of us as the ANC today not to mention the indelible role played by the countries where these comrades' mortal remains were repatriated from, Zambia and Zimbabwe. Zambia, led by President Kenneth Kaunda, gave home to the ANC and other liberation movements, providing for ANC headquarters, training camps, and the education of our children and young people. It did so while still busy rebuilding their own country. After just attaining their own independence from colonialism in 1964.
My mother died of a broken heart because her younger brother was never found. So my mother never spoke about her younger brother, but I could feel her pain. So I saw what my mom went through. That's why I was rushing, because I saw what my mom went through, and I don't want any other woman or children or father to go through what my mom has gone through.
Today we welcome you home, Makawe, not only as fallen soldiers, but as fathers, mothers, brothers and sisters whose families are here to receive you. May this moment of your return be in line with your ancestral customs. May it bring peace to your spirits as well as we embrace your presence in this land.
There are several projects that have been undertaken and are being undertaken at the national, regional, and continental levels to memorialize and immortalize the liberation history and heritage of our countries and region.
Inkantolo ephakeme ese-Western Cape isivune iDA ngesivimbelo esiphuthumayo sokumisa umholi weqembu umkhonto wesizwe ePhalamende uDokotela uJohn Hlophe ukuthi abe yilungu lekhomishana yamajaji iJudicial Services Commission. Inkantolo yenze lesi sinqumo ngesikhathi ihlezi ngohlelo lezobuchwepheshe besimanje lokhu kulandela ukuthi iDA yethula isicelo sayo esiphuthumayo emasontweni amathathu edlule njengoba ithi iPhalamende alizange lisithathe isinqumo esiphusile ngokuqoka uHlophe ngemva kokuxoshwa kwakhe ekubeni ijaji ngamacala okungayiphathi kahle. I-Democratic Alliance simemezele ukuthi izophinda iphakamise igama likaSilius Brink kwesobmeya eTshwane uma sekufakwa amagama abazogaqela lesi sikhundla. uBrink ukhishwe esikhundleni sakhe izolo ngevoti lokungabethemba ubuholi bakhe.
Njengoba kungekapheli ngisho amahora ngama-24 uBrink exoshiwe kwesobmeya, umholi we-DA eGauteng uSolim Simango sedalule ukuthi leli qembu lizophinde lifolose ngoBrink esikhundleni sobumeya eTshwane.
We are actually going to be fielding Sila Brink again as the mayoral candidate in the when these nominations open up again. I am engaging and will be engaging throughout this whole weekend and possibly in the next week with other political parties as well. You know, we will still be engaging with the ANC.
Osanda kuxoshwa njengemeya uqinisekise izakhamuzi zaseTshwane ukuthi iDA isazibophezele eqinisekiseni ukubusa ongenayo inkohlakalo kanye nokungathembeki.
In the past 17 months, we've had remarkable political stability in Tshwane. We've made progress, as the former members of the mayoral committee have pointed out here. And we are so emotionally invested in that achievement. Abandon the city. I will not abandon the city. The leaders who surround me will not abandon the city.
Umsimanga wengeze ngokuthi iDA izizwa yenzelwe phansi yilabo abahlubuka ezivumelwaneni zabo zomfelandawonye wagcizelela ubumqoka bozinzo eTshwane.
Whoever we're having a conversation with, whoever we're going to be agreeing with, there needs to be an understanding that this should last up to the 2026 when all of us will go and seek for a fresh mandate with our voters.
Thank you. Umbiko usihle Dlamini wezindaba ze-SABC.
Unabhala we-ANC esifundazweni noma ke eGauteng uThemnkosi Unciza uthi ANC ayikanqumi ngesikhundla sobumeya okwamanje. Uthi amaqembu asaxoxisana ngalolu daba. Lokho kulandela amazwi omholi we-Action SA uHerman Mashaba. uMashaba ubethe bavumelene ne-ANC ukuthi bazofaka uNasiphi Moya esikhundleni ke leso obekungesika Celius Brink. Unciza ke yena uthi ukubusa ngokubambisana eGauteng kuzohola ukhongolose. Kanti umholi we-DA eGauteng uSoli Msimanga uthi Mashaba bekumela cabange kabili ngaphambi kokuthi ayiphakamise.
The first thing that I must tell you is that every political party has its own wishes. Dr. Comrade or Mr. Mashaba presented his wishes to the African National Congress. We did tell him that the ANC has its own framework. We will have an engagement, but let's agree on the short-term program. Do we agree that we must change how Tshwane is being run? Do we agree that the ills that we see and how people are treated and the workers of Tshwane, we change them, we turn those things around? Do we agree on how we're going to be able to move forward? How do we make sure that the city center of Tshwane becomes better? How do we deal with the issues of investment so that we can create jobs of people of Tshwane? How do we deal with issues of Jubilee and the crime that we see there in that particular area? Once we found each other there, we then said we will then continue with the discussions, not taking for granted what he would have put as his wishes. We will have a conversation with him.
Mashaba today said that he's the kingmaker. He was very happy to boast about him being the kingmaker. It is not about what he wants to then see happening in Tshwane. It's all about the power play that he wants to then use and using his numbers to then, exert that power. But unfortunately, in this instance, he jumped the gun. You can hear TK is at pains trying to explain, whether there's a deal or there's no deal.
Mbokeleyo kamanje ke sathi qunga phe itolo uma ngabe sibuya sokuphathela uWT.
In comparison, this road cost about just over 12 million rands for a kilometer to construct.
Inkampani yephehla ugesi Eskom ihole uhlelo lokwakha umgwaqo ngomlotha wamalahle esikhundleni sokuthi kusetshenziswe usimende eDelmas. Sikubingelele Eskom-ke mbukeli mangabe usanda kungena odabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi uMengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa uhola umkhosi wokwamukelwa kwamathambo eyishoshovu zakuleli zomzabalazo ezabulawelwa eZambia kanye naseZimbabwe ngezikhathi zikahulumeni wobandlululo. Mbukeli asikhumbuzeke ukuthi lezi indaba zikhona ku YouTube, ku SABC Plus kanye na ku Lihaye. Ngena kuzo uyicinga ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola. Ubuholi be-ANC eNorthwest bubukeka bubhekene nengcindezi eqhamuka eyimeyeni ezintathu ezisanda kwehliswa ekhundleni. Zisuswe emva kokuthi ANC iphothule uhlelo lokuhlolisisa ukusebenza kwabaqokelwe ukuhola ohulumeni basekhaya. Iqembu limemezele ukukhishwa kwabo bobathathu ngenyanga edlule nokho-ke basahlele ekhundleni.
Sekuphela inyanga seloko izikhulu ze-ANC zamemezela ukuhliswa kwezimeya ezintathu ezikhundleni, kodwa kuze kube manje ibhantshi yalikagcwala umoya. Kulezi meya kubalwa uClifton Group womasipala eNaledi, uKagisano Mulopo weTsiriletso Marabutse, kanye noTumisang Gaurayelwe weGreater Taung. Sekudlule amasonto ambalwa iqembu lizama ukuqhamuka nomhlahlandlela wokukhipha lezi meya, kodwa izinto ziqhubeke zihambe kahle komasipala.
We have no intention of confronting and fighting with the comrades. But we have realized that some of our comrades don't take it in a good faith when we are redeploying them. There are those that are restricting us a bit, but we need to find each other.
Izakhamuzi zeFreiburg ngaphansi komasipala iNaledi sezibeke imbono ehlukene mayelana nokukhishwa kwalezi meya.
The guy has been doing a good job. For him to be recalled, I think is absolutely absurd.
The mayor must go because of the service that he's offering us is too bad.
Kange ANC yona ithi iyathemba ukuthi lezi meya zizosilalela isinqumo sobuholi.
For now, they are just waiting for us. But it's my strong belief that by the 1st of October, it must be clear. It can't be that they must be waiting for far too long now. So by October, it will be very clear where these comrades are going to be redeployed.
Kusabhekwe ukubonwa ukuthi lezi meya zizolithatha nenixathu lokuhlika ezikhundleni kulezi insuku ezizayo.
Inkampani yephehla ugesi iEskom ihole uhlelo lokwakha umgwaqo ngomlotha wamalahle esikhundleni sokuthi kusetshenziswe usimende. Lo mgwaqo oseDelmas esifundazweni eMpumalanga kulindeleke ukuba usetshenziswe amaloli uma kwakhiwa umgudu wokuthutha amalahle esiphehleni sogesi ikusile khona eMpumalanga. Isikhuluko esiphezulu seEskom sithi lokhu kuzokwakha amathuba omsebenzi.
iEskom ikhiqiza umlotha omningi wamalahle unyaka nonyaka. Lo mlotha wamalahle uchazwa njengodoti onomngozi. Lolu hlelo ke lwayo iEskom luzogwema ukuthi ube mningi umlotha olahlwayo. Kusetshenziswa kwawo ekwakheni kunciphisa ukusetshenziswa kusimende.
In comparison, this road cost about just over 12 million rands for a kilometer to construct, in comparison to about 23-24 that ordinarily would have been spent on a road of a similar quality.
Isebenzi zeEskom zakhe umgwaqo esikhathini esingaphansi kwezinyanga eziyishumi.
This project, in terms of its execution, started on the 1st of April 2023. It took us approximately 12 months to complete.
Isiphehli sogesi kusile sakha uhlelo oluzosiza ekuthutheni amalahle nokuyinto ezophindisiza amaloli ngokuhamba kwawo endaweni yokwakha.
Now use this ash behind me to construct this road, which will now gonna be used by close to 102 trucks on average per day to bring coal in, as well as making sure that our operations in terms of running the power plant are well looked after.
Lolu hlelo lokwakha lokamumva luvula ezinye indlela zokwenziwa kwemali eEskom.
Obhekele ezezindlu ekomidini lemeya eGoli uMlungisi Mabaso useveze ukuthi abanikazi bezakhiwo eziningi bayehluleka kulandela imigomo uma bethuthukisa izakhiwo. uMabaso ukusho lokhu ngesikhathi ehambele indawo yesigameko sesakhiwo esithungelwe umlilo eBroadwalk Urban Village.
Kuyaqhubeka ukususwa kokungcola emva kokuthi umlilo ucekele phansi isakhiwo esihlala abantu eBroadwalk Urban Village eMidrand. Kubikwa ukuthi lo mlilo uholele ekutheni kuphangalale umuntu oyedwa kanti abanye balimala. Kulabo ebesebephendule amahhovisi bawenza indawo yokuhlala kuthiwa ngeke bahlinzekwe ngezindlu zesikhashana.
2014 2016 somewhere there. Yayizi offices ndabona ke into bana seyitshintshiwe ke ngoku sekuhlala abantu. Bayayazi kabanikazi bayo into bana imvume babeyifumene kanjani nento bana izonke ipermits zento bana mayibe iyavumeleka into bana makube kuhlala abantu iyaziwa ngabanikazi bayo leyo, but ngokubuyibona yona nendlela emoshakele ngayo ayibonakala ngathi ingayindawo engahlala kuyo abantu.
Obhekele ezezindlu ehhovisi lekomiti lemeya eGoli uMlungisi Mabaso uthi abanikazi besakhiwo abakatholakali namanje, kodwa uthi uzibophezele ekusebenziseni yonke indlela ekhona yezomthetho mase kuqalwa uphenyo.
We've been trying to reach out to the owner so that we are also able to get to the developer. You know, we haven't been able you know, to locate them. Even the contact details that were provided to us, the phone is ringing with no response.
uMabaso usola umnikazi wesakhiwo ngokwehluleka ukulandela imithetho yezakhiwo. Umnikazi wesakhiwo akatholakalanga ukuthi aphawule.
Ikhomishini yezokulingana ngobulili isizwakalise ukukhathazeka ngokuphathwa kwamacala okunukubezwa ngokocansi eMpumalanga. Le khomishana ibambe umhlangano wesifundazwe eMbombela nophiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi iNPA kanye nophiko lamaphoyisa aseNingizimu Afrika mayelana nophenyo nokuhoxiswa kwalamacala ezinkantolo.
Izinhloko zesikhungo ezintathu zabizelwa ngaphansi kophahla olulodwa
ngenhloso yokuthola izindlela zokuthuthukisa indlela amacala ocansi aphathwa ngayo. Ikhomishana ezokulingana kobulili ikhathazekile ngendlela amacala aphathwa ngayo ngabomthetho esifundazweni.
It is alarming in the sense that it is about 40% of reported cases that actually were withdrawn. Over and above that, we are seeing in this province in particular a rising delay in responses to forensic reports that are being processed and referred to Pretoria for processing.
Izibalo zakamuva zikhombisa ukwanda kwamacala ocansi. Amaphoyisa athi enza konke okusemandleni ukulwa nobugebengu yize kunezingqinamba zezinsiza.
With the issue of GBV, that is gender-based violence, is still a lot of work to be done as a province. But what is very good into this is that people are reporting these issues and police are acting on these issues.
Ukuhoxiswa kwalamacala ezinkantolo sekukhuthaza ngisho nalabo abasebenza nezisulu.
We have seen quite a number of people withdrawing from the role, which is also concerning. Some will be threatened to withdraw the cases. Some will also say that the case is now taking too long.
Sekuqubuke ukukhathazeka ngamalungu omndeni agxambukela kulawa amacala okuhlanganisa nokufuna isinxephezelo sezimali kubenzi bobubi ukuze basule amacala.
Kanti ke mbukeli nezinye ezimnandi kwezemidlalo phela ezokuthi Kaizer Chiefs izobambana kanye neSundowns kusasa lokho kusayo lapha ya FNB. Umhlahlo wesimo sezulu bembukeli uzolandela emva kwekhefu. Mbukelisi ibeka lapho ke besiphathele zona ngehora lokuqala kanti ke phela siyabuya ke nakusihlwa ngehora lesikhombisa sagiya ngaloku likamageba nibe nje nosuku oluhle nisaleke.